Okay, thank you. This Deposit Protection Corporation of Zimbabwe, DPC. We're in the business of protecting depositors' money through a fund which we run in Zimbabwe. So depositors' funds are protected in the unfortunate event of a bank failure. DPC is on standby to compensate depositors of failed bank up to a cover level of $1,000 for those banking with contributing banking institutions who are financial institutions in the form of commercial banks, etc. For those who are banking their money with deposit-taking microfinance, we cover their deposits up to $500 or equivalent in the unfortunate event of a collapse of a DTMFI. So, as a corporation, we encourage people to bank through the normal banking channel for the sole reason that their deposits are protected through DPC Deposit Protection Fund. And we encourage people not to use other channels like unregistered microfinance institutions, mikando, and all those other pyramids, where at the end of the day, if that pyramid collapses, there is no one to cover you. Unlike the case where the bank with a registered financial institution in the form of a banking institution or in the form of a deposit-taking microfinance. Thank you.
My name is Godfrey Zeta. I work with Tarino Foundation of Zimbabwe, an organization for persons with disabilities. Today we had an engagement with the Deposit Protection Unit, whereby we had an awareness on the advantages of having our deposits with the registered institutions where there is guaranteed safety of our deposits and the compensation in terms of whenever there is a bank failure. We also had quite a very interesting deliberation in terms of the social inclusion aspect being done by the Deposit Protection Unit, whereby they are doing awareness to vulnerable groups that include persons with disabilities in terms of the role they should actually be playing in contributing to the economic growth of our economy in Zimbabwe. We are also quite glad as well in giving our submissions for considerations where we are actually asking for the deposit protection the deposit protection guys to also consider having persons with disability in terms of capacity, building their capacity in terms of income generation, in terms of financial awareness, so that they can also be equal players in terms of economic contribution. Thank you.